In today's video, we are going to design a oil cap, a mechanical component. So let me show you the shape. So basically, this type of the mechanical component which is used to cover the tanky of the generator or the some vehicle. So it is cover the oil tanky, and it will not allow the dirt to go into the tanky of the oil. And we can use a plastic component, or we can use a metallic component. So we are going to design this component in the Fusion 360. So first of all, you have to check the units. So you can change the unit under the browser and go to document setting, and you can change the units here. So for me, I am going to design this component in millimeter. So units are good. So we are going to use the extrude command. So for the extrude, we have to draw a sketch. So click on the sketch, and first of all, we have to select a plane which we are going to draw our first sketch. So according to our drawing, we have to make a analysis, and we have to see which will be our base feature, so we can easily design the component. So this is the top plane. So I am going to click on the top plane, so the view will be normal to us. Now here we can see the top plane is in front of us in a normal to us. And so I am going to select this center diameter circle, click on it, and you can see in the sketch palette there are different options, different settings. So the feature option circle, we can see the different types of the circle which we can use to draw a circle. So these are different specification. Basically, this specification refer how we can draw a circle. So for example, at this point we have the center diameter circle. So that means first we have to select the center. First point will be the center of the circle. So to draw the center circle, I am going to select this origin. So everything will be in the reference in the Fusion 360. So draw the circle and give the dimension. Select the dimension tool and select the circle. The dimension will appear, and we have to sign the diameter 27.8. Finish the sketch and extrude this sketch. So to extrude this sketch, we selected the extrude, and the pop-up window, the setting of the extrude will be pair. So for the type profile, select the sketch, start. It is asking from where you want to start the sketching. You add the extruded material. So direction, we needed one side. We can also select the symmetry. Extent, we want to give the distance, and how much distance we want to give, 20 millimeter. So this will be the cylindrical shape. This will be the our base feature, our first feature. Next we have to move to the second step. So again I have to open the sketch, click on the sketch, and here we have to select the direction or the plane. So in which plane you want to make the second sketch. So according to the drawing requirement, I am going to select this right plane. Now I have to draw a random feature, a random sketch. So something something like a rough sketch, and we will add the dimensions after completing the sketch. So at this point it's automatically adding these relation, but we have to draw a line like that. We don't have the automatic constraints. These constraints are used to fully define the sketch, to make the shape of the sketch according to our requirement. And now I am going to define the dimensions. So first I needed these edges of this cylinder in our sketch. So go to project, select the project, include project, and select this face and click OK. Now you can see some lines will appear here. So the edges are now into our sketch. And I am going to draw a line tool, select the line tool and make the line type construction. Draw a line, a vertical line, make sure you have to draw a vertical line, and then again draw a line from this point to this point, these 2 points which are projected. Now select the dimension and we are going to add the dimension. So dimension between this point and this point, it is given as 2.12. The angle between this line and this line, it is given as 6.8. So distance from this point and this line, this distance is 1.6, and distance between this point and this point, we are going to define it 0.9, and angle between this and this is given as 1.25. Now just drag this sketch like that, like that, and we have to define angle between this line and this edge. We want it in the other direction. So select this line and this edge and define this 2.8. Okay, now from this point to, sorry, select the smart dimension tool, select this point and this point, and distance is, now drag this sketch like that from here to here. From this point to this point, we define this dimension 3. Okay, now as you can see, the sketch is turned to black. That means the sketch is fully defined. You don't need to define anything. Now fillet, select this point, and now we have to define the fillet. So radius is 5 millimeter. And next I'm going to use the mirror tool. Objects which we want to mirror, select all of these lines and select the mirror line. So select this line. So this sketch will be mirrored with the reference of this line in the other side, and exit the sketch. Now I am going to select the extrude tool, select this sketch and the area of this sketch, and now at this operation we have to make sure we select the cut. And when you drag here, now you can see the color is red. That means it's removing the material. And from the direction one side, we want to add the symmetry and make sure it cut the whole material. The cut must be more than to this edge. So for example, we can define a dimension 35 just for our reference, but it's cutting all the sides. Now again open the sketch, create sketch, select this face and draw a circle. Now we are going to make another cut, draw a circle and define the dimension. So for this circle we have the dimension of 24 millimeter. Exit the sketch, go to extrude, select this face and this face. We want to make a cut outside of this sketch, and we have to define a taper angle for it. So the taper angle will be 6.5, and we want to cut the material. So this taper angle must be in the negative direction. And for the distance, select the all. So it's cutting this portion. Really, we have to define another sketch. So it must be more than this portion, the portion of this sketch. Select the line tool, and from this point, this is origin. I'm going to draw a line like that and a line like that. And now define the dimension. So this must be coincident with this. So it must be here at this edge. So select this point and this edge and make a relation coincident. And same way, select this point and this inner edge and add a relation of coincident. And we just give a random dimension of 15 and trim these points. Finish this sketch. I'm going to delete this one and go to sketches and show this one. So now see, make a cut all in this direction. It's again keeping the material here on the thick side. So we have to edit this sketch and make something like that, which is bigger than this tab. This living material here. I basically did not have the drawing of this component. I just saw a picture and I am drawing from it. So that's why we are having this mistake. Let's see if we can change the taper angle. Okay. Okay. Next, open the sketch on this, and we are going to draw a circle and make sure it must be coincident with this point. And again another circle with the origin and bigger than this sketch. So extrude, select this inner portion, also select this portion, and make it on the distance symmetry. So it will make a cut on both sides. Now I think we achieve a good shape. Just edit this sketch and draw a line, construction line like that. And we have to use the mirror tool. So select these lines with the reference of this mirror line like that. Finish the sketch. And now go here and edit this profile. And for profile 2, also select this portion. This material can be deleted. No, we are not able to delete it. Okay, again open the sketch on this plane and draw a sketch which must delete this one. We want to cut this symmetry. So now let's make the cut. Hide this sketch. Now we achieve a shape. Open the sketch on this face like that. Extrude this 13, and now we are going to use the fillet. We are going to use the fillet, not chamfer. Like that. Again use the chamfer. Again use the fillet. Select all of these edges. 0.5 is good. Let's see for 1. Okay. Now we achieve a shape. This is the oil cap. Something we see here. A shape similar to these, like that. But actually I did not have any drawing for it. I just saw a picture and tried to do a simple design. So that's why we have a lot of issues, problems in here. But I am going to upload this tutorial so you know how we can make the design if we just only have a picture, what difficulties we will face. So this is a, I think this is a good tutorial. We can also add a fillet for this sketch. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching it. If you learn anything or if you have another idea like how we can draw this